Hey, this is Joe with APH. In this video, we will discuss recovery mode. While this video is focused on the Mantis, these directions will also apply to the Chameleon. Recovery mode is a state that allows you to access diagnostic tools. It also enables you to perform a factory reset, which will erase all data and settings and return your Mantis to its original state. In recovery mode, you will also have the option to export files before a factory reset or import files after a factory reset. To begin recovery mode, power off your Mantis and confirm the device is not charging. Press and hold the home button and power button until the Braille display flashes recovery mode. Release the home and power buttons. You are now in recovery mode when the word START disappears and the circle on the Braille display stops turning. You can now power on the Mantis. Before you reset your Mantis to factory default, you will want to export your data from the Mantis. You must use either a USB drive or SD card. It will take a moment to process as the exported file contains books, documents, and configurations for Wi-Fi and online services. When you are ready to reset your Mantis, press the letter D twice while in the main menu of recovery mode. The Braille display will show Diagnostic menu. Press Enter. Your display will read Piezo test. Press F. Your display will read Factory Reset. Press Enter. You will see Confirm Deletion. Press the down arrow key. Your display will read OK. Press Enter. The reset process will take about 10 seconds. Your display will read Factory Reset Done. Press Enter. Your display will read Factory Reset. Press the home button to shut down your Mantis and exit recovery mode. Once you have reset your Mantis to factory default, you can return to recovery mode to import your data back on the Mantis. Check back for more videos. This is Joe with APH. See you in the next one.